Thank you for that introduction, and it's lovely to join you all. I'm sitting in London at the moment, so I'm sorry I can't actually join you. Last time you had this event as a hybrid event in Munich, I think it was October last year, and I was pleased to be there. And I'm sorry that we can't travel at the moment, but it is what it is. So I'm co-founder and chief exec of Circulor, and we're a business that works now extensively with car manufacturers, primarily in the battery supply chain. And what I want to pick on is the role that traceability in supply chains can play in both responsible sourcing, but more importantly, in decarbonization. Most car manufacturers are now committing to net zero targets. And as we all know, because we work in the auto industry, we know that the supply chain's contribution to the manufacture of vehicles, particularly electric vehicles, is very significant. For an electric vehicle, about 70% of the embedded carbon in the vehicle at the point at which it is delivered to the customer is the supply chain's contribution, and roughly half of that is the EV battery. And so what I want to do is share some lessons from the last 4 years of work that we've been doing with the likes of Volvo, and I'll show you some of our customers in a second, but Volvo Cars and Polestar and Daimler and there are others. And the lessons that we can all draw from that as we strive towards making the energy transition and the move to electric vehicles better for the planet without causing problems. And of course, I'm talking to you in the context of the newly passed supply chain law in Germany, the latest iteration of the battery directive from the European Commission, which of course will also drive not just responsible sourcing, but also